Okay, y'all, it's Privateer. Yep. You know why you're not seeing potatoes? As I was stuffing this down into the soil to keep the soil from eroding underneath of it, I started noticing little pokes and pricks and little dots of blood on my hand. Initially, I thought, oh, ants. So I checked, no ants. Started going over my fingers, and sure enough, because of using the soil from over in that area, I didn't realize it. There was glass in it. So there's a bunch of micro shards of glass, which means root vegetables gotta come out. I'm not gonna risk hurting somebody. What I got is tomatoes, and cabbage. Not what I wanted, but there's something in the ground at least. Hopefully it'll start growing soon enough. Anyway, it's Privateer. Success that it actually worked. Failure to check the soil, which had I checked the soil, but then too, who really thinks to check for glass? You might want to check for glass. Anyway, Privateer, y'all have a blessed day.